Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Google search. Then go ahead and click on activity at the bottom right here. Then here you go. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here. And this is going to pop up right here. Go ahead and click on delete. Delete this activity. The activity you selected will be deleted from your search history. However, your browser might still be storing data related to this search. What you need to do is to click on delete right here. It's that simple. You can go on and delete as many as possible search history on your Google. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how to use your Google search, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.